Hello everyone. Now chapter 8. In chapter 8, which is related to the polynomial, let's have a look on the definition. Suppose that there is some expression written like this: 2x power 3 minus 5x plus 2. Then this is a polynomial. Okay. Let's take one more example. If it is written x square plus 5x minus 1, then this is also a polynomial. Now, if the expression is written like this, tell me whether this is also a polynomial. Tell me whether it is a polynomial. No, it is not a polynomial. Let's take one more example. If power is 1 by 3 minus 5x plus 2. Now tell me whether this is a polynomial. Again, the answer is no. This is not a polynomial. If it is written in this form, let it be x power 3 minus 5x minus 2. Now tell me whether it is a polynomial. No, this is also not a polynomial. So, from these 5 examples, what do you observe? What type of expressions, what type of algebraic expressions are called as polynomial? Observe here. Here, the variables are written in the form of x. It can be any variable. It can be in the form of y also, like this. It can be written in the y form also. Then, if the power of the variable, look here, the power of the variable here is positive. In this case also the power of the variable means alphabet. The power of the variable is positive. So, this is a polynomial. This is also a polynomial. But why this is not a polynomial? Can anyone tell me why this is not a polynomial? Here, the power, in this case, the power of the variable is in the form of p by q. It is in the form of p by q, or we can say it is in the form of a fraction, rational number. So, that's why it is not a polynomial. Here, in this case, if you will observe, in this case, just see the power of the variable. If you will shift this part on the upper side, then the power will become minus 3. Minus 3. So, why it is not a polynomial? Here the power, if you will observe, the power of the variable is negative. So, if it is negative, then also it is not a polynomial. Am I clear to all of you? So, what do you observe here? If the power of a variable in any expression, if the power of all the variables are positive, means if it is not negative, neither it is in the form of a fraction, nor it is in the form of negative term, then that type of expression is called as your polynomial. Okay. Now, tell me, this is a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because here the power is positive. What is the power of variable here? It is 1. So, this is also a polynomial. Now, I am taking one more example. Suppose that only it is written as 3. Now, tell me, 3, is it a polynomial 3? Yes, this is also a polynomial. Why? Because this 3, we can write it as 3 multiply x power 0. Variable power is 0, which is neither negative nor positive. So, this is also a polynomial, and this type of polynomial is called as constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Okay. What is constant polynomial? In which only digit is written. The digit can be -3 also. The digit can be minus. Here the digit coefficient number, the coefficient is negative. It hardly makes any difference. But you have to remember the power of the variable should be positive integers. Okay. And it can be 0 also. If it is -3, then this is also a polynomial. Why? Because we can write it as -3x power 0. So this is also a polynomial and this is called as constant polynomial. तो constant polynomial क्या है? जिस number के साथ अगर कोई variable नहीं लिखा हुआ, then that is a constant polynomial. The variable can be in the fraction form also. It can be written like this also. Like this also. So this is also a polynomial. In this case, the the coefficient is in the fraction. हमें coefficient को नहीं देखना. We have to see the power of the variable. The power of the variable in one of the expression should be positive. Then only it will be a polynomial. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now, in all the example, the polynomial having one variable. So this is a polynomial of one variable. If I will take the example like this, 2x square plus 5xy minus 3. Then what type of, first of all tell me whether it is a polynomial. You have to see whether it is a polynomial. Yes. Why? Look at the variable. Here it is x. X power is 2, which is positive. And here x power is 1. And this is also a variable. So, and x power is also 1. Means positive variable. So, this is also a polynomial. But these are the example of polynomial of one variable. Because only one alphabet is written. But this is a polynomial of two variables. Why it is of two variables? Because there are two alphabets written. It can be of three variables also. Okay. So it depends. But first of all, you have to see whether it is a polynomial or not. Then you will define it further also. So let's have a look on the definition of a polynomial. An algebraic expression, these are the expressions. All of them are the expressions. An algebraic expressions in which the exponent of the variable, exponent means power. Exponent of the variable are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means जो negative नहीं है. Means it should be positive. Okay. So the exponents of the variable, as we have taken it here, the exponents of the variable is alphabet. Exponent of the variable should be positive. It can be 0 also, because 0 is neither negative nor positive, as we have taken the example over here. So these are the examples of polynomial. I think आपको ये clear हो गया होगा what are polynomials. Now we will discuss the different types of polynomials. Now we will take the different types of polynomials. The polynomial depend upon number of terms and the degree. Number of terms means how many terms that polynomial has. The algebraic expression having how many number of terms, and then the degree. Degree is related to power. We will discuss it. Let's go for the concept. The polynomial, first we will take the number of terms. Number of terms, as the name suggests here, First case is monomial. So name suggests here mono. Mono means one. Okay. So monomial. The second case is binomial and the third case is trinomial. As it depends upon the number of terms. If it has only one term, polynomial having only one term, then it will be monomial. It can be any term, but the term should be polynomial. You can take the as example 2x power 3. This is a polynomial having one term. Next example, you can take it as 2x power 5. Again, it has one term, so it is a monomial. And only x. X is also a monomial since it has only one term. As the name suggests over here, mono. Mono means one. Binomial. Binomial. Bi is related to the two terms. So if it has two terms, polynomial having two terms, then the two terms can be any type of 2x plus 5. Is it a polynomial? Yes. So, having two terms, 1 and 2. One more example, you can take 2x power 3 minus 7. Again, it has two terms. So, it is binomial, having two terms. Now, I think you can get the idea what about the trinomial. What it should be? Trinomial. Tri means, here the name suggests tri. Tri means 3. So, the polynomial having 3 terms are called as trinomial. So, the example 2x power 5 minus 5x plus 7. So, what do you observe? Here, the number of terms are 3. So, this is trinomial. We can take one more example, x, or take it as y power 2 minus 5y plus 1. Again, it has 3 terms. So, it is trinomial. I think this concept is clear. So, the polynomial, which depends upon the number of terms, are called as monomial, means one term, binomial means two terms, and trinomial means 3 terms. Okay. Now, we will come for the degree. Degree means, degree is related to the power and highest power of a polynomial. एक आपके पास कोई polynomial दिया हुआ है expression and उसकी highest power क्या है? That will be your degree. Okay. Before we will continue with the types of the polynomial related to the degree, I will take one example. Suppose that this is the polynomial. This is the polynomial. So, can you tell me what is the degree here? आपको क्या करना है? First, you have to see whether it is a polynomial. If it is a polynomial, then highest degree. Degree means highest power. Okay. So, what is the highest power of a variable here? These are the variable and the highest power is 3 here. So, it means that this polynomial is having degree 3. Means highest power जो होगी polynomial में one in the one expression, whatever be the highest power, that is a degree. Now we will go for the type of a polynomial which depends upon the degree now. Linear. If it has only one degree. If it has only one degree, then it is a linear polynomial. Take one example. 2y minus 1. So, what is the power of a variable? This is a variable and its power is 1. So, what is the degree here? Here the degree is 1. Highest power of a variable is 1. So, since it has highest power as 1 or the degree as 1, so it is linear polynomial. Now, come to the quadratic. In quadratic, what you will get it? If it has degree 2. Take the example 2x power 2 minus 5x. So, what is the highest power in this polynomial? First of all, you have to see whether it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because the variable power is positive. Okay. Now you have to see what is the highest power. The highest power is 2. Or we can say the degree of this polynomial is 2. So, if the degree is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Got it? Now, in cubic polynomial, how will you find out? What is the example of a cubic polynomial? In cubic polynomial, if it has degree 3. So, degree 3, it can be written like this also. Tell me, whether it is a polynomial? Yes. Now, what is the highest power in this polynomial? Highest power is 3. Isn't it? So, it has a degree 3. We can take any other example also. 3x power 3 minus 5x square plus 1. Now, again it is a polynomial having highest power of a variable is 3. So, this is a cubic polynomial. So, degree, if it has degree 3, then it is called as cubic polynomial. Now, tell me, what should be quartic? This is quadratic and this is quartic. So, what should be the, can you guess it? What should be the degree of quartic? Yes, it has a degree of 4. 4. So, you can take any example over here. The degree 4, 2x power 4 plus 3x. So, it has a degree 4. Highest power is 4. Therefore, this is called as quartic polynomial. Like this, you can make out any example over here which depends upon the number of terms or which depends upon the degree. Degree means highest power of a polynomial. I think this concept is clear to all of you, and this concept is very important for your competitive exams also. And remember, the polynomial depends upon number of terms or the degree, and this number of terms has been segregated in 3 parts and degree segregated in 4 parts. Accordingly, you can find out what type of polynomial it is. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.